we could record.
Hey, where are we?
We're at St. Elizabeth's Hope Building Parking Garage in Youngstown, Ohio.
Very nice.
Don't
Let's. What? Go ahead. Ask your
Don't we
question.
film with TJ Elevator fan?
Yeah, this is a special edition for TJ Elevator fan. And who are you?
Alex Elevator fan.
Alex Elevator fan. All right, here we go. Alex, did you know St. Elizabeth's was founded in 1911? It's an old hospital. All right, there's the main entrance. Here we go. Yeah, the floors in the parking level are color coded. We're going to 3. And it's got a window out here to the parking lot. Yeah, okay. What kind of fixtures did that have? All right, we need to go up to 2. Oh, there we go. There we go, Alex.
Okay, you can push the button. Come on in. And I need to go to 2, please.
Awesome. Where are you headed?
We're going to 2.
All right. 2's wild. What kind is it, Alex? Oh, and it talked? How cool is that?
You want to go up or down?
Down.
Down? Okay, we'll go down.
So, these are what?
Otis Gen 2.
Otis Gen 2. Okay. Here we go.
Go on in.
Nice.
You want me to come or you want me to still wait?
Oh, yeah, you're sticking with us.
Oh, okay. Now you gotta press 1. Okay.
Does it talk?
Let's
No,
find
this
out.
one doesn't talk. The other ones do. These don't. The new one that you came up on, did that one talk to you?
Oh!
Or does it talk?
It doesn't talk.
I guess it did talk. Okay, now we're going to go back up to 2.
All right. Oh, wow. Look at that on the ceiling. How cool is that?
Can you push number 2? Thank you.
Hey, Alex, did you see the ceiling? What is that?
Leaves.
Leaves. Yeah, it looks like cherry blossoms to me. That's pretty. I think that must be for patients when they're laying down and get a nice scene, maybe. Alex, what kind is this? What does it look like?
You need to push the button. You get it? Perfect.
Otis Lexan.
Otis what?
Otis Lexan.
Lexan. Okay. Wow.
Pretty old, huh?
Yeah. What kind of doors are those?
Excuse me, and this is the weight elevator.
It's white and 2-speed, yeah. Ooh. Okay. It's small. Can you reach up there? Yep. Go ahead. You're good.
Okay. Yeah, that one's not going to work. You have to push this one. Can you push 8? There you go. Push 8. Very good. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
See, this was our very first elevator. See, it says elevator ID 1. This is the first elevator. I don't think it's going, is it? No, push the 8. The 6. No one's not on 6. Push 5. I think the other one might be 4.
Doesn't stop on 4.
Push 4. A little bit of 4.
There we go.
These are the old ones that go up so far.
Yeah, I bet.
Because the buildings, when they were built, then they didn't continue the elevator.
Uh-huh. You hear it, Alex?
You want to ride this one back down?
Down.
Maybe it's a notice.
All right, you want to ride this one back down?
What floor are we on?
We
Go
need
back
to
to
go to
2.
2. right there. That's it. Perfect.
What
Okay.
floor are we on?
We were up to 4. This only goes up to 4 because this is the old building, and when it was built, it only had 4 floors.
Okay. All right. Hey, what kind is this, Alex? I don't think I've ever seen one like this. What's this one? What kind of fixtures are these? No, you got it. Oh, look at the numbers going. It's telling you what level it's on. Can you see that?
What level?
Well, it's on 4. It's going to 3 now. I'm recording it so you can watch it on the video. And now it's coming down to 2. So what kind of elevator is this, do you think?
It's an old one, huh?
What kind do you think?
Otis, Lexan also.
Oh, an Otis Lexan also?
That's number 2 there too. What do you see how old this is?
Ooh.
2 over here. Go ahead, push the button. I think it goes all the way up to 8 here.
I think I need a badge.
You need a badge for 3.
Yeah. Can you push 8? There you go. Okay.
Try 4 again. There we go. It says up, down. Look how old this is, Alex. Wow.
That's the staff 1 elevator.
Okay.
Yeah. Woo. Well, let's get off this elevator. You want to ride it back to 2? Let's ride it back to 2. What do you think?
That's it. Good. I told you I had some old ones.
Yeah, I've.
You didn't know these existed, did you?
Closest, I think we rode one, oh my, like this at Princeton.
We're going to go out, we're going to go to the left.
Or Cornell, I mean. Cornell.
Straight, go all the way straight, and we're going to go to the left. There's another
Okay.
one.
That's the staff